Hello and welcome back to the Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele and I'm back talking about our favorite topic. And what I'm going to be discussing in this video is something that everyone, when they have a claim for their car, they panic. Because when the insurer says, we are writing off your car. What is a write-off? Or they say your vehicle is uneconomical to repair. What are you telling me? It's like you're telling me my car is dead and I must find a new car. Literally, I feel that that's exactly how clients feel, because when they hear uneconomical to repair, write off, it just sounds like, whoa, what's going on here? I just want my car fixed. So I wanted to do this video to just explain that whole concept of what they mean by uneconomical to repair, and is it bad for you, is it good for you, etc. So uneconomical to repair is really as is to say that it costs more for the insurer to fix the car than it would be to get you a new vehicle. With uneconomical to repair, usually it depends from insurer to insurer. So some insurance companies will say that if it's going to cost more than 60% of the value of your vehicle, then it's uneconomical to repair. Meaning that if your car value is worth 100,000 and you get into an accident and the whole incident or the damages cost 60% or 60,000 rands, for an insurer, it's a 40,000 rand gap. They see that as uneconomical to repair. So that's how other insurers look at it. Other insurers will, for instance, look at the car overall and say, what is a car? I'm just trying to think of a brand without making a big thing about it. And I'm not saying that this is what they do with this particular brand. I'm just making an example. So look, for instance, at an Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeos are not really common cars on the street. And so to get parts for Alfa Romeos is quite difficult. And so you'll find that you have an accident and the damages aren't more than 60% of the value of the car. But to get the parts shipped from all the way from Europe and to come bring them this side and this and that will end up ultimately still costing around about 60% or more. So in that case, even though your car looks like it's not that damaged, it's for the insurance company uneconomical to repair. So that is when we're talking about uneconomical to repair. And also what I wanted to discuss in the video is, what do you as a client have rights to? Rights to, it depends on insurer to insurer. But other insurance companies will say, okay, if you're insistent on keeping this car after we've told you to write off, and you've taken it to Oompete, who says to you that they'll be able to fix it for less, the insurer, depending insurer to insurer, will say, we'll pay you out 70% of the claim amount for you to fix it with Oompete, but also you need to sign to say, no matter what damages you come up with after the fact that weren't found, or your car is not drivable, or anything of the sort, then the insurer is not liable for those damages. You as a client are, because you opted to take that option. So what I would always suggest, and I'm not giving advice here, but if you look at it, if your insurer is saying your car is uneconomical to repair, and you look at vehicles that are called code 3s, and code 3s are rebuild vehicles. So code 3s are cars that were in very major accidents, rebuilt to look like new, and then now when you insure them at that value, and it's less of a value as you would if you bought a new car or a second-hand vehicle. So already by the insurer saying it's uneconomical to repair and you go and rebuild that vehicle, you're basically not driving a code 3. The dents and the things that come up after an accident when you fix your car. For me personally, I don't know, I would really weigh my options, and see if it makes sense or not. But the insurance company, by writing off your car, they don't hate you. They possibly could be doing you a big favor as well. So that is a long and short of write-offs, uneconomical to repair. It's not against you. It's not to kill your car. It's to try and help you out. And sometimes it's just not worth it. If your car is worth 100,000 and damages are sitting at 60,000, that's a lot of damages. I'd rather get a new car. But that's my opinion. You can form yours after watching this video and also after talking to your insurance company. But from my side, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and tell your cousins, your friends, everyone to subscribe to this channel. I will see you again in the next video.